Hi guys, I am Krish, welcome to Weird Tech Gadgets. Here we have bring you some amazing cool gadgets which will you in crucial time like corona and keep you safe. We will start with number 9, Readerist Magnetic Eyeglass Holder. Readerist is the number 1 selling magnetic eyeglass holder, with over 3 million units sold worldwide. Dropping, scratching, and losing your eyeglasses are now a thing of the past. You can go throughout your day with your reading glasses and sunglasses safe, secure, and within hand's reach at all times. Plus, this item can be used to hold ID badges and manage earbud wires. We've found that millions of people are constantly dropping, scratching and misplacing their readers, sunglasses, and safety glasses. Mostly likely, you've experienced this too and have spent money and countless hours repairing and looking for your glasses. With Readerist, those issues are a thing of the past. Readerist keeps your eyewear safe and secure when it's not on your face. Number 8, Signal. Make phone calls with your fingertip. Signal is the smart strap that enables you to make calls by placing your fingertip on your ear. Simply place your fingertip to your ear while speak through the embedded microphone. Replace your existing watch strap with Signal and you're done, whether you wear a classic watch or an Apple Watch, Samsung Gear, or Pebble Time. Signal is the smart strap that enables you to answer phone calls through your fingertip. Simply place your fingertip to your ear while speak through the embedded microphone. Replace your existing watch strap with Signal and you're done, whether you wear a classic watch or an Apple Watch, Samsung Gear, or Pebble Time. The next 7th gadget is Nosy, wearable air purifier and filter. Nosy is designed to maximize your protection from air pollution and allergens by filtering indoors and outdoor pollution for extended periods of time. Its activated carbon and HEPA filters mediums break down toxic gases from fossil fuel emissions such as CO, NO2, SO2, and volatile organic compounds, VOX, and protects you from particles that are 0.03 microns and larger, including pollen, dust, lint, mold spores, smoke, pet hair, and list goes on. When considering filter replacement, other anti-dot pollution masks and filters can cost between £15 and 20 pence, whereas Nosy averages £10 per month. Depending on how many filters you purchase, each hour of wearing Nosy is a bargain. Costing you between 1 pence to 0.02 cents per hour of use. Here is 6th gadget, Penna Bluetooth Keyboard. Penna Keyboard is a mechanical keyboard made with Cherry switches, known globally for unrivaled quality in keyboard switches. It provides all OS support. Supporting Windows 8, 10, Android, iOS, Mac OS will help Penna to run on most devices. Cherry Mechanical Key Switch. Adoption of Cherry Switch, known as the world's most advanced switch technology, ensures fast and accurate typing. Macro Bar. Utilize macro bars to save frequently used keys, words, and recall them anytime by pressing the bar just one. Bluetooth 4.2 BLE. Widely compatible with cell phone, tablet or laptop with Android, Windows 10, iOS and Mac OS system. Note: for desktop PC laptop without Bluetooth function, you need to use third-party Bluetooth dongle adapter, not included, before use this Bluetooth keyboard multi-pairing. Restring up to 5 devices via Bluetooth. Cradle holder. Built-in cradle hold your smartphone tablet at the ideal angle for viewing. Now here it is, fifth one, Pumpix, a wearable companion against germs. A wearable and portable gadget with a liquid sanitizing dispenser to maintain cleanliness all day. We are all connected. Never has that been more apparent than now. Even when we're separate, we're together in our efforts. Because of the current pandemic, we now have a greater responsibility to protect each other. Infectious diseases have shaped human history and remain with us today, continuing to burden populations worldwide and threaten the global economy. Older adults and vulnerable populations are especially at risk. The current pandemic has affected more than 3 million people in the world, and yet, we have no clear-cut solution at the moment. A sanitation spritzer, Pumpix, has the appearance of a sleek wristband. Aside from its comfortable, lightweight wearability, this product is affordable and simple to use on your hands, as well as commonly touched surfaces both in public and at home. After you fill up the gadget's inner chamber, Pumpix is good for more than 100 pumps. Number 4th, Print Pen. Portable printer for all materials and surfaces. Print pen can print on an uneven, rough, or textured surface. Print pen can print on textiles, paper, ceramics, glass, metal, wood, leather, skin, etc. Easy-to-use print pen powered up by the app empowers you to turn your ideas to accurate mock-ups and prototypes quickly. Explore your imagination to print anywhere. Customize your items, personalize your t-shirt, and decorate your creations. You can take it as gifts or special event items. Skin-friendly red, black, and navy blue are available. Invisible ink is also available. Go to cartridge page to choose more ink cartridge. We've highlighted the starting point of the inkjet nozzle with a corner on the housing of print pen to help you quickly master the printing position. Now moving to third gadget, AirBar by Neonode. AirBar gives your non-touch Windows 10 notebook touchscreen functionalities. The sleek, lightweight device emits an invisible light field over a laptop screen that senses your finger touch. AirBar will allow you to experience the best of Windows 10 by simply attaching it to the bottom of your laptop bezel with the magnets provided and plugging it into the USB port. You will be able to tap, pinch, zoom, sweep and rotate instantly. AirBar for Windows 10 laptops will work out of the box, not require any software or driver downloads. We call this plug and touch. With AirBar attached to your non-touch Windows 10 laptop, you will be able to sweep through music, images and video files, scroll whilst web browsing, or highlight text and paragraphs in your Word and PDF documents, or pinch, zoom, rotate in your maps and photos. You can also simply select an app on your desktop or taskbar, a hyperlink, or use it to intuitively access functions in Windows 10 that you would not have otherwise, such as edge swipes. AirBar will make using your existing laptop fun again and increase your productivity. Many people instinctively touch their laptop screens to select something, but realize it's not a touchscreen. Well, now AirBar is your answer. AirBar is only recommended to work with laptops running Windows 10 and only for laptops sizes 13.3, 14 and 15.6, so you must choose the right size for your laptop. AirBar for Windows 10 is not intended for monitors or MacBook notebooks. Please read system requirements before making a purchase. On number 2nd, Tap Strap 2. Wearable keyboard. This is Tap Strap 2. An all-in-one super controller. With Tap you can control remote screen just by pointing your finger. Type by the tapping on any surface and activate your favorite apps. Tap is a plug-and-play input solution and is optimized for iPad. Tap opens up a world of opportunities and turns any iPad into the world's most portable computing station. Its ergonomic design controls your smart TV and any Bluetooth device. It is fully customizable and can be personalized by using the Tap Mapper tool. And finally, the number 1 is Gas and Flow. It is a water purifier and sanitation station. The Go Sunflow is small enough to fit into a backpack, uses solar energy to filter 99.99% of pathogens from water, and can function as a portable hand washing station, hot shower, source of clean drinking water, and much more. Flow is a state of mind, now it's become an appliance. Gossen is leading the fuel-free frontier, utilizing the best in clean tech to help you use more sun. We love being outdoors, sharing food and drinks, but we don't love the mess and distance to clean, running water. Now, you can make fresh water and have a mobile hand washing station, anywhere. So how was these health and personal care gadgets? Tell us in comment section. You can buy your favorite one by following link in the description box. Please like the video and share with your friends. Subscribe to this channel Weird Tech Gadgets for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.